In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add watermark on PDF in WPS Office Mobile. This is a simple and practical feature that helps protect your files, identify ownership, or add a professional touch to your PDFs, especially when sharing them with others. To begin, open WPS Office on your mobile device and locate the PDF file where you want the watermark to appear. Once the PDF opens, take a moment to confirm that it is the correct file, since any changes you make will be saved directly to it. When you are ready, switch the file into editing mode by tapping the Edit option near the bottom of the screen. This step is important because the watermark tools are only available while editing the PDF. After entering edit mode, look at the toolbar and select the icon represented by a letter A. This option opens additional formatting and insertion tools that allow you to customize your PDF further. Once this panel appears, move to the right side of the available options until you find the feature for inserting a watermark. Tap on it and you will immediately see a watermark applied to your PDF. At this point, you can personalize the watermark text. Simply tap directly on the watermark and a text field will appear where you can type the wording you want displayed. This could be a label, a short phrase, or any identifying text you prefer. After entering the text, confirm your input to apply it to the PDF. Once the text is set, you can adjust how the watermark looks. You have the option to change its color to better match your PDF or make it stand out more clearly. You can also adjust the size, allowing the watermark to be more subtle or more noticeable depending on your needs. Take a moment to preview these changes and choose what looks best for your PDF layout. When you are satisfied with the appearance of the watermark, finalize everything by tapping the check mark located in the lower corner of the screen. This action saves the changes and applies the watermark permanently to your PDF. You should now see the watermark clearly displayed across the page. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.